Today on Rust Belt Airgun, I'm going to review the Beretta M92 A1 Full Auto Air Pistol by Umarex. My Umarex Beretta M92 A1 is refurbished, direct from the factory. I often purchase refurbished airguns as they are cheaper than new. The only difference is it comes in a plain cardboard box and with a Xerox copy of the instruction manual. The Umarex Beretta M92 A1 is an airgun replica of the Beretta 9mm firearm pistol, popular with both military and law enforcement. It features blowback action and burst fire mode, just like on the Beretta Model 93R firearm pistol variant. The M92 A1 is powered by a 12-gram CO2 cartridge located in the grip. It shoots .177 caliber steel BBs at velocities up to 310 FPS. This air pistol holds up to 18 BBs in its magazine. The M92 A1 is of all-metal construction and weighs in at a hefty 2.4 pounds or 1.08 kilograms. This air pistol has front fixed and rear sights. It has an accessory rail so that you would mount accessories such as a laser sight. The safety is located below the rear sight. To engage the M92 A1's safety, push the safety lever down. Push the safety lever up to disengage the safety. The M92 A1 can shoot in semi or full auto modes. The selector switch is located just below the safety on the right-hand side. Move the selector switch up for full auto mode. Move it down for semi-auto mode. Engage the safety. Press the magazine release button. The magazine will drop to the bottom of the grip. Turn the piercing screw fully counterclockwise with the hex key to remove. Place a drop of either Pelgun oil or RWS chamber lube on the tip of the CO2 cartridge. Insert the CO2 cartridge tip first into the magazine. Replace the piercing screw. Turn the piercing screw clockwise with the hex key until you hear the hiss of CO2 entering the magazine. Insert the magazine into the grip of the air pistol. Disengage the safety when ready to fire. Gauge the safety. Press the magazine release button. The magazine will drop from the bottom of the grip. Pull the BB follower down until it locks in place. Insert up to 18 BBs into the loading port. Release the BB follower. Insert the magazine into the air gun. Disengage the safety when ready to fire. The white dots painted on the front and rear sights aid in firing in dim light situations. The M92 A1 can be shot in both single and double action modes. Trigger pull is medium to heavy but consistent throughout the pull. This airgun has the heft of a real firearm pistol. Here is a close-up of the M92 A1 in full auto mode. As you can see, I was able to get all 6 shots within an inch diameter of the target in semi-auto mode. Accuracy of the M92 A1 is not as good in full auto mode. The Umarex M92 A1 is a detailed airgun replica of the Beretta 9mm firearm pistol. The full auto mode of the M92 A1 always puts a smile on my face. This replica would be great for firearm training or for someone that just likes to plink or do target practice with an air pistol that looks like a real firearm. The only downside of the M92 A1 is that the blowback action, coupled with full auto mode, does consume a CO2 cartridge fairly quickly. Please like this post and subscribe to Rust Belt Airgun so that you're alerted to my future posts. Thank you.